In this video, I'll show you how to create a QR code for your Facebook page so people can easily visit your page by simply scanning it. A QR code is a quick way to share your Facebook page without sending links. Anyone can scan the code with their phone camera and instantly open your page. First, open the Facebook app and go to your Facebook page. Once you're on your page, tap on the three dots or the More Options button near the top of the page. In the menu that appears, look for the QR code or Share Page option and tap on it. Facebook will automatically generate a QR code linked to your page. You'll see the code on your screen, and anyone can scan it to open your page directly. You can also save the QR code to your phone or share it with others. Many people use this QR code on posters, business cards, or social media so more people can quickly find their page. And that's it. That's how you can create a QR code for your Facebook page. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more simple and helpful tech tutorials.